Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbow Art. You are watching Rainbow Art. Today I am going to show you how you can make it this beautiful feather. You can make it for writing anything. You have just go through my process and then you will be able to do it. This one done by two different color paper and a sharp knife pen. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and press on bell icon. Okay, let's start. We have to take two color paper 25 cm versus 10 cm and a white paper 25 cm versus 6 cm, a scissors and a refill. First take the refill and take the white paper, take some glue and then after taking the glue you have to put the paper on refill just like this. Do as I show here. After rolling the paper you just do just like this, and after completing this one take the color paper and put some glues on it and mix the glues and then place the refill and take glues and paste another color paper on it. You have to put the refill on mid portion of the color paper. Place the two color paper smoothly and now take a pencil and draw a outline of feather just as I show here. Cut out the other portion that you don't have need. Now your rough structure of feathers is ready. Now you have to take that sharp knife pen and you have to carefully cut the feathers that I have shown here. Do it. After completing this cutting, your feather will be ready. just complete my feather design. After completing the whole process, your feather will be very beautiful, and you can write anything, just as I write here, I love you. Of course, I love you guys for your love and support. I am always happy to share my skills with you, and see the feathers carefully. After completing this one is very beautiful. Now you can gift any person or your friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your love and support. Please share to your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.